Hello friends, welcome to Homespot. What if I told you that creating your own peaceful Japanese Zen garden doesn't require expensive materials or a big budget? Today, I'm showing you incredible ways to transform everyday items you already have into stunning meditation spaces inspired by traditional Japanese design. Get ready to turn trash into tranquility and bring calming Zen energy into your home. Welcome to another creative upcycling project where we transform forgotten picture frames into stunning wall-mounted Zen gardens. This vertical meditation display brings the calming essence of Japanese sand gardens to any room without taking up floor space. Simply remove the glass, add a backing board, fill with fine sand, and arrange smooth stones in asymmetric patterns. The beauty lies in its simplicity and accessibility. Hang it near your workspace or meditation corner, and let the rake patterns remind you to pause and breathe throughout your busy day. Japanese stepping stone pathways have inspired garden designers for centuries, and today we're recreating this timeless element using materials you already have at home. Collect wine corks and bottle caps to create miniature pathways that wind through your desktop Zen garden. The varied textures and colors add unexpected charm while staying true to the asymmetric natural flow of traditional Japanese design. This project proves sustainability and beauty go hand in hand, turning everyday waste into meditative art that brings tranquility to your space. Water features hold deep spiritual significance in Japanese garden design, symbolizing purification and the flow of life. Instead of expensive store-bought basins, we're creating a stunning mosaic version using broken ceramic tiles that would otherwise end up in landfills. The cracked pieces become a beautiful patchwork in blues, whites, and earth tones, perfectly imperfect like the Japanese philosophy of wabi-sabi. Add a simple bamboo spout, surround with moss and stones, and you've created an authentic meditation focal point that honors both tradition and sustainability. Desktop Zen gardens offer moments of calm during hectic workdays, and making one from a cardboard shipping box costs almost nothing. This accessible project democratizes the ancient art of Japanese rock gardening, proving you don't need expensive materials to create meaningful meditation tools. Fill your box with sand, position stones thoughtfully, and add a simple wooden rake. The act of creating patterns in the sand becomes a moving meditation, helping you center your thoughts and release stress wherever you work or study. The Torii gate marks the threshold between the mundane and sacred in Japanese culture, making it a powerful symbolic addition to your Zen garden. Using driftwood or salvaged wood pieces, we're crafting miniature versions that honor traditional proportions while celebrating natural materials. The weathered textures and organic shapes of found would add authenticity that new materials simply cannot match. Position your handmade gate at your garden entrance, and let it serve as a daily reminder to leave stress behind and enter a mindful, peaceful state of being. Japanese aesthetics celebrate natural materials and refined simplicity, and this project beautifully bridges the gap between industrial waste and organic beauty. Ordinary tin cans become elegant planters when wrapped with bamboo strips or natural jute twine in traditional weaving patterns. Fill them with bonsai, moss, or delicate ferns to create a cohesive collection that honors Japanese gardening traditions. This transformation demonstrates how mindful creativity can elevate the humblest materials, teaching us that beauty exists everywhere when we look with intention and care. Vertical space offers endless possibilities for creative Zen garden design, and this whimsical hanging installation proves it. Vintage teacups suspended at varying heights create a floating garden effect that defies convention while maintaining Japanese aesthetic principles. Fill each delicate cup with air plants, trailing succulents, or cascading ivy to bring life and movement to your meditation space. This project celebrates the unexpected, showing how ordinary objects from thrift stores can become extraordinary when reimagined through the lens of Japanese garden design philosophy. Privacy screens serve both practical and spiritual functions in Japanese gardens, creating intimate spaces for contemplation away from the outside world. Reclaimed Pallet wood offers the perfect material for constructing traditional lattice-style dividers without the premium price tag. The weathered patina and natural grain patterns add authentic character that new wood lacks. Position your screen to define meditation zones, block distractions, or simply add architectural interest. Watch how filtered light creates beautiful shadow patterns, transforming simple salvaged materials into functional garden art. Sound plays a crucial role in creating meditative garden atmospheres, and handmade wind chimes add both auditory and visual interest to Zen spaces. Gather scrap metal pieces including old keys, copper pipes, washers, and small bells to create unique musical sculptures. Each material produces distinct tones when moved by breeze, creating spontaneous compositions that enhance mindfulness practice. The industrial origins of these materials contrast beautifully with natural garden elements, demonstrating how diverse components harmonize when arranged with intention and care. The lotus flower symbolizes purity and enlightenment in Japanese culture, rising beautiful and unblemished from muddy waters. Today we're crafting these meaningful blooms from clear and colored plastic bottles, transforming pollution into poetry. Carefully cut and shape the petals to mimic natural lotus formations, Then float them in your water feature with hidden LED lights for magical evening ambience. This project powerfully demonstrates environmental consciousness meeting spiritual symbolism, proving that meditation and sustainability naturally complement each other. Bonsai trees represent patience, dedication, and the beauty of controlled growth in Japanese horticultural tradition. Displaying these miniature masterpieces deserves equally thoughtful presentation, and weathered wooden chairs provide perfect, unexpected platforms. The chair's existing structure offers ideal height and visual interest, while its worn character complements the ancient art of bonsai cultivation. Surround the base with gravel and stones to integrate the stand into your larger Zen garden design. This furniture transformation celebrates both the tree's journey and the chair's second life. Traditional Japanese stone lanterns, or ishidoro, illuminate garden paths while serving as sculptural focal points. Our accessible version uses mason jars surrounded by stacked river stones, creating the same aesthetic impact without specialized masonry skills. Place LED candles inside for safe, enchanting illumination that glows warmly through both glass and stone gaps. These lanterns work beautifully for evening meditation sessions, casting gentle light across raked sand patterns and creating shadows that dance with flickering candlelight. Simple materials combine to create profound atmospheric magic. Meditation benches invite us to sit, observe, and simply be present in our garden spaces. By decorating a simple wooden bench with salvaged tile mosaics in traditional Japanese colors and patterns, we create functional art that honors cultural aesthetics while preventing waste. The geometric designs and floral motifs echo Japanese textile traditions, transforming an ordinary seat into a statement piece. Each tile fragment contributes to the larger composition, much like individual moments combine to create our meditation practice. Beauty, function, and sustainability converge perfectly. Japanese gardens carefully frame views and create layered depth through architectural elements like fences and screens. Repurposed window shutters serve this purpose perfectly, adding instant traditional aesthetic while providing practical backdrop function. The louvered slats cast beautiful striped shadows across sand throughout the day, creating ever-changing natural patterns that enhance meditation practice. Mount weathered shutters vertically behind your garden arrangement to establish boundaries, increase visual interest, and evoke authentic Japanese architecture. Salvaged materials bring history and character that new constructions simply cannot replicate. Traditional Zen gardens use carefully selected gravel for their base material, but construction waste concrete offers an excellent, sustainable alternative. When crushed to uniform, small pieces, recycled concrete perfectly mimics pale, gray decorative stone at a fraction of the cost and environmental impact. Spread it across your garden base, Add stones following asymmetric principles, and rake meditative patterns through the surface. This practical solution proves that authentic Zen garden aesthetics don't require expensive imported materials when we think creatively about sustainable local resources. Compartmentalized design allows endless creative possibilities in limited space. And ice cube trays offer the perfect structure for miniature Zen garden experiments. Each square becomes a tiny landscape with sand, single stones, moss, or small succulents, creating varied compositions side by side. This approachable project invites playful exploration of Japanese garden principles without intimidation or significant investment. Arrange your tray on a desk or windowsill where you'll see it throughout the day, letting these pocket-sized meditation spaces remind you that peace exists in every small moment. There you have it, creative ways to build your own Japanese Zen garden using upcycled materials. From picture frames to wine corks, broken tiles to cardboard boxes, you now have endless sustainable options for creating peaceful meditation spaces. Which project will you try first? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this helpful, give this video a like, subscribe to Homespot for more DIY inspiration, and hit that notification bell so you never miss our creative upcycling ideas.